Welcome friends. In this video, we shall learn how to express a complex number in the form of a plus iota b. This means in standard form. And we shall learn it by an example. The example is as follows. Express the following in the form of a plus iota b. And here are three parts of the example. So let us start with part 1. In part 1 we are given an expression minus 1 times 4 iota times 1 over 2 iota cube. If we multiply first two values, then it will be negative 4 iota, and if we solve this term of power, then it will be 1 over 8 iota cube. And if we solve it, then it will be negative 4 into 1 over 8 into iota cube. Finally, it will be negative 1 over 2 iota raised to the fourth power. Then it is negative 1 over 2, and we know that this value is equals to 1. Then it is negative 1 over 2, and we can express it like this, iota 0. So this is the standard form of the part 1, and now we shall move to the second part of the example. In second part we are given 2 minus iota raised to the fourth power, whole value raised to the fourth power, and we can write it as 2 minus iota squared times 2 minus iota squared. And if we expand this value, then it will be 4 plus iota square minus 4 iota, same as here, 2 plus iota square minus 4 iota. And we know that iota square is equals to negative 1. If we subtract 1 from this 4, then we get 3, and here is 4 iota. Same as here is 3 minus 4 iota will be here. And if we solve this value, then it will be 9 minus 12 iota minus 12 iota plus 16 iota squared. This value will be 9 minus 24 iota minus 16, because iota square is equals to minus 1. Then this value becomes negative 7 minus 24 iota. So this is the standard form of the second part, and now we shall move to the third part. In part third we are given an expression that is 2 minus iota minus minus 1 plus 6 iota, and if we multiply the values with this minus 1, we get positive 1 minus 6 iota, and here is 2 minus iota. And if we add 1 plus 2, then we get 3, and here is minus 7 iota. So this is the standard form of the third part. So this is the solution of whole example. Thank you.